So you're sitting in class, minding your own business, and all of a sudden a question comes at you. Give me the facts of the case, or what was the court's holding? Or give me a policy argument for the plaintiff's position. And you sit there and you wonder, where in the world did this question come from? And for that matter, why am I getting the next 17 that come behind it? The answer seems to be nowhere in your notes, nowhere in your book, and not even on the top of your desk where you seem to want to stare. Why is it that law professors ask questions? And why do we ask so many questions? I would think there are at least 3 reasons why, and I want to share them with you today. First, the obvious answer is we're trying to solicit information. We're trying to see what you know, what you understand, and what you don't understand. So if need be, we can pivot and help you better understand the material and help your peers as well better understand the material. Second, this seems a bit more hidden, and we don't often tell you this, which is part of why I'm telling you this now. You may not understand or appreciate, but because law school is primarily taught using case law, cases that we read to help you understand the law, you need to understand that when these cases come up, the evidence that is presented comes primarily from witnesses. And witnesses don't just get up on a witness stand and just simply talk for as long as they want about whatever it is that they want. Rather, the information that witnesses have is elicited through questioning. And so what you need to understand is that cases are won and lost based upon the questions that the attorneys are able to use to elicit witness testimony. So part of what we're trying to do is to help you to understand the art of questioning and how you can use questions to pull out information that you need so that you can do so, whether it's in a trial or a deposition or just in a client interview, so that you are able to better understand the legal issues and deal with them appropriately. So to some degree, we're modeling for you what good questioning is about to help you see how to do it on your own when you get into practice. And then the third reason is, I think we're trying to figure out how you process information, how you think. And to some degree, that is related to the first concept of soliciting information. But it's a bit different. We're trying to figure out, are you processing the information appropriately? Are you drawing the connections between legal issues? Are you appropriately figuring out which salient facts are important and how to apply the rules appropriately so that you can do this on your own in practice? And so I would encourage you, next time you get some questions in a law school classroom, listen carefully to the question first of all, and then ask yourself, why am I being asked this particular question? What is it that this professor is hoping to elicit? Is it something around my knowledge base? Is it something about maybe the way I'm processing information? When follow-up questions come, can I see a distinct connection between the previous question and this one to help me anticipate where it is that the discussion may need to go so that I can provide a better answer, and certainly so that I can learn from this experience and be able to do this on my own in the future. Will this help you get through every opportunity for questioning in class? Maybe. It depends on what you make of it. I just wanted to try to demystify some of why you are asked questions in class. Do with it what you will, but it's just something for you to think about. This is Professor Paul Meggitt, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.